So I've been testing out the Qubo 2.7K dual channel dash cam from about a month now. So coming in at a price of about less than 8,000 rupees for the dual channel variant and coming in at a price of less than 10,000 with the HARDWIRE kit combo, the Qubo 2.7K has proved itself to be a worthy dash cam within its price range. So from the past 1 month since I've been testing out this dash camera, the video quality has really impressed me. I mean, most of the aspects regarding its video quality are quite decent and quite stable, and I definitely think this is one dash cam which you should consider within the 8,000 price range. The good thing about this dash cam is that first of all, it comes in a super compact and minimalistic size. So concealing this dash cam behind the internal rear view mirror becomes an easy task, and you will hardly feel the presence of the dash cam when you mount it on the windshield. The second good thing is that this gets a 2-inch LCD display through which you can stream live video either from the front or the rear camera, and you can also control a certain few aspects about this dash cam straight up on the on-screen settings. So this dash cam also giving you a GPS is an added bonus because very few cameras within this budget range have the GPS feature. So getting this within the 8,000 price bracket is also something which will work in your favor. Talking about the video quality, this gives you a Quad HD plus 1620p resolution, and as said previously, video quality is quite good for the price. The front video camera quality is actually pretty good in both daytime and night conditions. The number plate readability also remains close to what a Star-Vista sensor can provide, and I'm quite happy with the performance of the sensor within the Qubo 2.7K and the overall video quality provided by this dash cam. The rear camera quality offers you a full HD resolution and kind of similar to the same experience most of the other rear cameras provide you within this budget range. Another cool thing about this camera is that this gets you a 1 TB SD card support, so you can insert practically a 1 terabyte SD card for the longest amount of videos being stored. Of course, 128 and 256 GB should be sufficient enough, but if you're someone who prefers to have the longest videos recorded, 1 TB will work for you. This camera also gets a built-in Wi-Fi and built-in super capacitor, so wireless connection with your smartphone to access the videos, to access the settings is a convenient aspect. And the fact that this gets a super capacitor, well, most of you do tend to park your cars outside in sunlight in summers, so having a super capacitor in theory is better than having a battery-based dash cam. So in that sense, for a peace of mind, for security purposes, super capacitor is ideal, and this dash cam gives you exactly that. And as I said previously, you can get this in a HARDWIRE kit combo pack or just a dash cam pack at about 7,999. The HARDWIRE kit combo comes at about 9,400 rupees. But do note that no matter which of these variants you are interested to purchase, because of the exclusive collaboration between Gizmobeep and Dashcam Insider.in website, you can get a free 128 GB memory card with the camera at no additional extra cost. All you need to do is just go ahead and grab this camera using the link given in the description. Apply the coupon code Gizmobeep at 2.7K if it's not already pre-applied, and you will get a free 128 GB memory card right inside the box. That's a sweet deal now, isn't it? So make use of this collaboration, make use of this free deal and get yourself the Qubo 2.7K right now with a free memory card if you have a budget of about 8,000 rupees just for the dash cam and a budget of about 9,500 rupees for the dash cam with the HARDWIRE kit combo. So if you do have any doubts or any queries regarding this camera, just write it down in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in making the correct purchase decision, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who want some dash cams under the 8,000 or the 10,000 price range. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.